Cotton buds, you know, even cotton buds. Should you be doing that?
The usage is very common. My opinion is that cotton buds are should never be put inside the ear. They're fine for cleaning around the outside of the ear. The problem is that what people try and do is they try and clear the earwax out of their ears.
Right.
Earwax is supposed to be in the ear. The body produces it.
Earwax is actually sort of like I'm not saying good for you, but then they're
to protect
your ear.
It is good for you. It lubricates the skin. It will trap any dust or insects, etc., that get inside your ear, and it's also bacteriostatic, so it prevents bacteria from reproducing, therefore causing infection. So it's supposed to be there. There are occasions where certain people can produce too much wax and it blocks the ear, in which case the wax should be removed by a medical practitioner. When people try and remove it themselves, what happens is if they put down a cotton bud, they can't see what they're doing.
Right.
So the tendency is, although you get some on the cotton bud, the tendency is to actually push more wax further down into the ear. Okay. Then the wax can become impacted, it can become very hard and actually cause a hearing loss.
I see.
Then it has to be removed.
Now, myth or, you know, true or false, you cannot actually stick anything through and puncture your eardrums because the ear canal actually is not straight, right?
The ear canal bends, and that's one of the reasons it bends. It's a protective measure, so nothing can go straight in there.
All right.
It is possible to do it, but it would be extremely painful.
So you would actually feel pain first before you puncture your eardrum?
You would feel quite a lot of pain before you punctured your eardrum. Yes.
So, but just going back to, because I mean, I know a lot of people who clean their ears using cotton buds.
Yeah.
So what would be the correct way then?
The outside of the ear can be cleaned with a cotton bud or whatever you feel like. Internally, it's not necessary to clean it. The ear has a natural mechanism by which it removes wax by itself. So when you get a little bit of earwax on the outside of your ear, it doesn't mean your ear is full. It's just that the ear's natural migration process for the wax is working properly, and it's being removed from your ear.
So you're saying really it's okay to use cotton bud to clean the outside of your ear, you know, sort of all the lobe area, but not inside, not in the ear canal.
Not in the ear.